How to fix we are sorry but something went wrong, please try again problem and Instagram. So first long press on Instagram and click on app info. Now clear data, tap on OK. Now click on force stop, click on OK. Now go back and go to setting. Click on dual SIM in cellular data. Click on prefer network type. Now choose 4G, 3G, 2G and auto. Go back. Now click on SIM where mobile connection, internet connection is enabled. Click on access point. Now click on restore default. After completing this process, your problem will be fixed easily.